Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. So to change the straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever basically, and you can pull on it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, you will be able to pull out the strap from your watch. Basically, you need to grab it with something like fingernail or something flat. You pull on it, and once you pull on it, you can just take out the strap. Quite simple, like this. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Like I said before, you have two pins on each side, rather one pin on each side, my bad. And basically, those pins are locked in the holes on the watch. Right here we have one hole and the other hole on the other side, and when you pull on this lever right here, it just retracts this pin and makes it possible to pull out the strap from your watch. Okay, and let's say you get the new straps and you want to get them back on. You simply grab the strap, you grab the watch, you take the side opposite from the lever, you insert it into a hole on the watch right here, like this. Then you pull on the lever. Let me insert it. Pull on the lever so you can retract the pin, align it with the other hole, release it, and it will click in and it will hold. Quite simple, like I said before. So you insert it into a hole like this, pull, now pull on the lever. Sometimes the tension on them is quite high, so you need to fight a bit with it, but here we have it, and now the straps are attached, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.